This is a story about a magical soup pot that belonged to a kind old woman who lived in a little cottage in the woods. She used it to make delicious soup for anyone who was hungry, but one day it disappeared, and spices and simmer it all together until it was nice and thick. I searched the whole house, but it was nowhere to be found. Just then, she remembered seeing a young man by the stream earlier that day. But as she turned to leave, she heard the young man speak for the first time. "Why do you keep making soup?" he asked. "It's not like anyone appreciates it anyway." He looked a bit grumpy and had been sitting there staring into the water. When he got closer, he could hear her talking to herself. "Maybe he'll understand why I do what I do," she said. "I don't make soup for everyone. I only make soup for those who are hungry. If he's just here for the taste, then he doesn't deserve my soup." In fact, he became her helper, chopping vegetables and stirring the pot. Together they made delicious soup for anyone who was hungry, and the aroma of their friendship filled the forest. She couldn't believe that someone could be so ungrateful. The old woman wasn't making soup just for the sake of it. "Can I help you?" she asked. The young man hesitated for a moment, but then he nodded and said, "Yes, please." "Can I have some soup?" The old woman smiled and said, "Of course." She ladled some soup into a bowl and handed it to him. "Here you go." She was making it for those who needed it. He felt ashamed for judging her and vowed to never do it again. But instead of arguing with him, she simply replied, "I do it because I like to see people happy." With that, she went back home and started gathering ingredients for another pot of soup. It was the most delicious soup he had ever tasted. When he was done, he thanked the old woman and went back home. The old woman had taken it upon herself to make him some soup, but he had been so lost in thought that he hadn't even noticed her. The aroma of the soup would waft through the forest, and anyone who smelled it would feel their stomachs rumble with hunger. They'd then follow the scent to her door, and she would always invite them in to share her meal. And when she went to look for it, she found a grumpy young man sitting by the stream near her house. The old woman was very fond of making soup. She would chop up fresh vegetables from her garden, throw in some herbs one day, though. The old woman noticed that her soup pot was missing. She went back outside and walked down to the stream. Sure enough, there was the young man still sitting there. But when she asked him if he had seen her soup pot, he just shook his head and continued staring into the water, as if it were the most interesting thing in the world. The old woman sighed. It was no use asking him. She just had to take it upon herself to make another pot of soup. The old woman stopped in her tracks. She chopped up carrots, potatoes, and onions. She hummed a little tune. Soon the aroma of the soup filled the house and spilled out the windows. The young man couldn't help but notice the smell. He took a deep breath and his stomach rumbled. Although he had said that he didn't want any soup, he was too hungry to resist. He stood up and walked towards the old woman's house. The young man was taken aback. He realized that he had been wrong. Just then the old woman opened the door and saw the young man standing there. The young man took the bowl and sat down at the table. He ate the soup slowly, savoring every bite. From that day on, the young man never complained about the old woman making soup again. The end.